Hey guys, today I will show you how to import your Excel spreadsheet data into Monday.com. First, log into your Monday.com account. Then click your profile picture at the top right corner. Select Import Data, then choose Excel. Next, upload your Excel file by either dragging and dropping it into the import window or browsing to select it. Then click Let's customize your new board so you can map your sheet's columns. On the mapping page, pick which row in your spreadsheet should be used as the header. Then choose which column in Excel becomes the item name on your new board. Next, match your Excel columns to Monday.com column types. Finally, click Create Board. Your Excel data will be imported, creating a new Monday.com board with all the items and columns you mapped. And that's how you import from Excel to Monday.com. Thanks for watching.